Baro kibriu gidon laga jong gajing sultanat ha gajing im jongki. Gidon ki bajumelan ha ka kwai doka batang supoi ka ayom ki rawan gila penkre lagi rengyang di paron ban lek pendam rengyang syakiwa lani gipung. Gidon ru ki baju sultanat ban lek kai sport laga dai ke tennis, badminton, cricket, lani football. Mentalai gajing ipung bat kanya bicycle gila long ki sport ki bala sedang ban por bat su thia. Kajing penia Mareh tuk bat kali lani ke track race ru kidai ki sport ki bangila bena bha ha ke jela jongi nrei Kawei ke bala kham he bat ke badon kam kajing pen kre ke bajanai ya ki kali namar kadai tang na benta gitu bala don kajing hikai lani ke training ke babnia bat ke bapura kadai ke formula car racing kani kadai ke Phoebe Dale Nongrum ka khna samla khasi ya ke bala pun lakha hanong ba shalom bat shisin pete kalong kumbalong lam ki wei ki khna Kynthei ki babinat hala kajing puli namar Kawei ba pernai ka ap yaki syakmat nrei ka Phoebe na do bakadang kena ka thrang ban penher kali bat dang hagarta ka bakhat ar kalanang ban penpai steering kali te kamlong ka bapla ban sngoba watla kampat kot ya karta ba pura ban yo license ka Phoebe kala long ka driver kajing e temen sim jongka ban penmare kali kala penlong ya ka ban but dia ni ka ni ka sport wat apadang kajing puli jongka syabar jela tat hadu bakanda yo kam yo jam ka Phoebe kala shimenta ha Jingïakob penher kali ha keleng gani ka than chitei lammingi kuntup ya ka autocross maximum attack challenge 2 ka bala penlong da ka motorsports association of Meghalaya nang ta kala shimenta ru ha Jingïakob sha Arunachal Pradesh Nagaland bat Assam kadai ka jingtre shitom klem kan randien ka bala penlong ya ka Phoebe banang kiu ha gani ka sport bat kala yolat ban yakun ru ha ka national racing championship ka bala penlong da ka JK tires kumta hagalenti ya ikbabon giding kunkyang ka Phoebe kala ya le ban yorong haka ahura racing team ha Coimbatore jong u Sarosh Hataria bala penya ya jingpan Mareh kali Formula 4 jong ga LG Balakrishnan bat kala job persya ya Henry Pongot ki wei pat ki Kynthei ki balai simenta ha gani Jingïakob ka Phoebe kampat jusarem ha Jingïakob pen Mareh kali lagadai ha national rally kum ha Arunachal Festival of Speed bat ka Indian National Rally Championship rengkat bat ka Kunhon Kim Juan Pai Teli klem ki kusnam bat menta kadai ka Kynthei ka banengkong na kani ka thain ban syajiet sya kani ka kerdan jo ka Formula 4 ya ka ba kadang pen kre menta ban le yeshi menta ha Coimbatore te mentang idon hang ni bat i Phoebe Norum ila plai por khnang mani don kat bat ngi ban yakren khndiat bat ngi sepang ka kam ke jong i ba ila lek bani simenta Phoebe batai ngi kumno fisngo bat ka e ka penlong ya Phoebe pin lek syakane ka line hagar jingya le Mareh kali
jingsha kani it's all about passion te nadu padang grit like nganang khas memma te panjing rap ni driver kan kumno nang banyak kali ko ban tip batai yang penhikai kumta kan ta driver besinya ban ngi menchua te kumtahi batai nga because I was really eager to know kan te she senang hi kumto dan last dang don interest ki kali ki bike kumta kan so it started from there
oh te menta batai pat da sepangani ka race ka ba philip bani simenta
so naduk menchua hi last tenat kani ka so as to say mo your love for speed tangba hapo shlong tingim dan mohang dang de ka shnong ka berit we don't have opportunity ngim dan ka madan ne ka track bangila ban le kai te I had to continue also with my studies tingal school late college ikum to which I never give up hope kan so recently ngawan lawan phai shi yeng to te kidan ki mentahang ni haslong te po not east kila asdang ban organize kidan few organizers ki organize kini ki autocross ki rallies ru ki la ma di national rallies ru sometimes ki la long they've been held ha po not east jongi kan so kumta hi kan so when I got the news bakidon kini kumta then I got a call from these friends of mine ba organize kini autocross apa bhai rumbong te ki ong ba oh you're in town te why don't you participate te ngamdan ka kali ba biang man le kai mo tang ba obviously they offered kan ki ong shimna kali jongi le kai kumta te kumta kan ngasdang so my first participation was in autocross apa bhai rumbong kan so ladies class ngale kai so job nang to kan so mas job nang to ngakwa shu no like once you win you want to like go more then second one was a national rally po Arunachal it was the Arunachal Festival of Speed kata pre ngayo phone call by don we parlok jonga I mean, he's my driver. That's what I call him for rallies. His name is Baljit. The Finco drive. I said, okay, fine. Why not? To some extent, Guinea organizers, they had a problem because I was a lady, because it's a very risky sport. So any mistake from the co-driver side, also known as a navigator, any mistake, like yeah, so they were like, are you sure and all that. I said, I'm 100% sure if you guys have no objection. So then that's how it started off with the rally and the autocross.
Tikum hakapor ba pidang de teenager phim yathu spangki escapade jung fi kumno fi ju late nya kali cheni strai hapo social long shaba.
So actually Munshua, I don't suggest this anymore now, but Munshua, the population in Shillong also kadang khamduna. So in the night, usually after 10 ka surak kala kenja, not like today te abjir kidang hoi ma nang bun brio. Please Bazaar, especially being the hub, Mantalele, like they sell food in the night. So there's a lot of people moving in and out at night. But then it was quiet after 10. So what we used to do is me and a few of my guy friends, we used to have drag race around in Shillong. Depends on on one ways especially, because so that there's no other car approaching from the other side, so that we won't be in trouble and all that. There won't be any problems. So we used to have a drag race. So that's what we used to do in the night. Then that was just for a while and then I left. Then when I was in Bangalore, I went there for my studies. Then I had a car there. Then some boys are like, oh, you think you're so good, let's go. So Bangalore, it's like a big city. You have like a huge highway that you can, a one-way road where you can actually drag race. So that's how so we used to drag race with a few people there. So it was just no track, nowhere to go. And yeah, that's about it.
Tikani ka risk ba pidang shudap shen. Batai hindi spang juga but kai ga jingpen kre jong pi na mata next level. So
recently last month I got a phone call from another friend. Like I said, ngala participating in national rallies. So I've made friends with all these national drivers. So I got a call from one of a friend. Like he was like, Formula, this guy who has been winning Formula 4 for 3 decades. His name is Sarosh Hataria. He's from Tamil Nadu. He's been winning for 3 decades and he decided to start an all-women's team. My friend was like, I suggest you go and try out. The training is going to happen and they're going to select 12 best women drivers. I was like, why not? Then I got his contact number and I got through to him, and then he called me back and he gave me the whole detail. You have to come down, training will happen, then means a select A. So by the time I got there were actually 60 women from all over India that had registered. So out of 60, what happened was he cut down to 24. He choose Arpusangut. Then again they chose us based on the best timing. Whoever did a good timing, they go through. So 24 was selected. Then after that, again we had to fight with each other on the track with those Formula 4 cars. Again, whoever did good timing again gets to go into the gets selected. So from 24 we were selected to 12. So the final 12 are in the team right now. So each all the girls in the team will get their turn. There'll be 4 rounds of the first season. Of course, we have to compete with the boys, with the guys, and the first season is done. So a batch of 5 or 6 girls have have participated, and now the next batch will participate for the second round. So 4 rounds. So he'll shuffle accordingly. Okay. He's our mentor and coach now, so he decides whoever is running or doing the best timing can stay. Whoever needs a shift, he'll shift substitutes. So that's how it works. But again, I'll have to further go down for further training. He's again giving all the girls better training because we're not used to the Formula 4 car. It's not like the normal car. Engine wise and all, yeah, it's a 1.2 engine, but then when it comes to turning and shifting the gears, it's different from a regular car, because it's a small car, and the only thing that's heavy in the car is the engine, because the engine is behind. So you have to be, it's very tricky on your turns. And when you're fast, come along Jingïakob and come along the normal cars that we drive around every day.
Okay.
So yeah.
Tifi ong apa kumta ka ni ka risk factor jong ka ni ka sport ko ba fishim ta phim don ka jing sngo e ba minu ma lor ka ni fin ong kum no.
I would suggest if you have a passion for something or you want something, then I don't think you'd fear to do that. Or even if you fear, maybe you should overcome that fear. So I believe that actually at Shillong, there are quite a few more women that would like this sport. But maybe because they don't know who to approach, how to get about, or which people to get in contact with and all that stuff. They will come Jingïakob. But then I think once you love, like when you have a passion for something, I don't think you fear that, Ken.
Okay, and that fear you have already overcome.
Yeah, I mean, playing with the car has always been a thing for me. So I really don't have even the slightest bit of fear in that. Actually, the more I go faster, the more the adrenaline rush. And sometimes I don't realize even if I'm at 200 speed, I do not realize that. Because, that love for that, I just cannot feel the speed.
So you love the adrenaline rush.
Yes.
Kaniru kadai ka male domain ki ong pakakam jong kisan rang ni kum nu pis ngobat kai ba phin ong kai ka message ki wei ki Kynthei ki ba don kata ka love for the sport.
Well, I mean, it's not just for Kynthei, but then like when you want something, you go out there and get it. Like you can't just say, you can't complain, you can't say like, I want this, but then I'm stuck in this small city, I can't go, I can't get this, or I can't get that done. Lada fikwa, if you want something, you have to go for it. Maybe it might not work out now, maybe kalaban shim 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, you don't know. But if you don't give up, somewhere, some point in life, it will come to you. If you want that, you have to work towards it. So even if you have to work 10 years towards that, if you really want it, I suggest you work on it. And like they say, it's a man's world, but I believe that it's a woman's world too. I wouldn't say that women run the world better because I believe in equality. And I think that if a man can do something, I'm sure a woman can push her limits and do the same.
Okay.
That's what I believe.
By day Kawei pat kabanta jong kani ka sport jong pi yo ke jing hikai ru kumno ban lani ban repair, not major but minor repair ya ki kali ki.
Not really, but actually that should be something good to learn, but then not really. We don't get any I mean, when it comes to mechanical things, that is up to the mechanic and the tuner and the mechanical team. It's nothing to do with us. They make sure the car's like fine for us, they check the car for us, and we just have to run, that's it. So
Ti habai day but ka jala Meghalaya but kiwei ki jala jongkari India. Pisngo ba kani ka don scope kani ka sport ba po Meghalaya ba kila banon ra ka syakani ka jala jongi.
Let me put it this way. This sport honestly is very expensive first and foremost. Second, kalong ka sport ka ba, you can make it into a career, but then in India as a whole, they're not paying as much for the sport. It doesn't cover up the cost of your car. Mostly, job we get prize money, right? But then the prize money is not enough. Why? Because you understand, we have to build a car. Like each part of the car, each modification, we have to spend quite a bit. Like if you want, like example, good shockers, shockers that will hold the car, that wouldn't break soon, it'll cost you at least like 50, 60 if you get a good one.
50, 60?
Yes, just for the shockers.
1,000 or?
1,000. So again, like, then again, it depends what you want to put in your engine, what upgrades you want to do, and then like your seats and your, they have to be FMSCI approved, the Federation of Motorsports of India. It has to be approved by them, your helmet, your racing suit, everything has to be approved. And all these costs, so even your racing gear would, if you have to get like the FMSCI approved racing gears, they would at least cost you, with the shoes, including everything, helmet, everything, it would at least come to 1.5 to 1.5, like, So
it is an expensive
yes,
sport.
It is an expensive sport, and it's difficult to actually make it into a career, because in India as a whole, they don't pay you for this sport, or the prize money is not enough, to help you build a career out of this. But I found my way. I mean, like, you can do other things as well, you can work, but at the end you can always continue this too. It's never too late to start. It took me a long time because I had to study first. I obviously had to make my parents happy too. So now that I'm done with my studies and all that, I told my dad, like, I'm going to take this chance and, you know, like, go for it.
Okay, Phoebe không lấy bốn bạn nghe ai kết bọc cái đôi Phoebe bảo phiền bôi sập răng bảo phiền nhẹ sắm bảo phiền job cái này cả jing trang cái giống phi.
Thank you, Bajo.
Thank you.